Hey there, learners. I hope you guys are doing well. It's a new day, and once again, we come up with a new video for you guys. This video is about a project on Salon Management System. So, for this, we have used PHP, HTML, CSS, and PostgreSQL as the backend. In this project, we have two different types of users. One is the client who can register, log in, view the services, view the stylist he or she wants to go for, and likewise do the booking. And the second user, which is the obvious one, is the admin who will manage the stylists, the services, and he can view the customers and the number of bookings. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the project, shall we? Firstly, let's load this project. So, this is the login screen where you are supposed to sign up if you haven't already, and let's try to do a sign up first. So, this is the registration page where you enter your name, you enter the email address. We have applied proper validations for the email, mobile, and the password field. And then click on register. Now, you can log in with the username and the password that you entered while you had to sign up. Now, you can enter the username and the password and click on login. So, this is the main dashboard that you can take a look at, which is the customer's dashboard, and you can take a look at the services provided by the Smart Look Men's Salon. So, you choose the services that you want to go for. And when you click on submit, you get acknowledged with the total amount of rupees that you will spend. Let's take a look at the stylists available in the salon. You can see the specializations, their mobile phone number, and the name of the stylist. Now, let's take a look at the booking details. You can choose the service that you want to go for. You have a choice to go for a particular stylist, and when you click on book, you get acknowledged for the booking. In the about section, you have details about the salon. Let's log out from the customer panel. Now, this is the admin login that we will do. You enter the username and the password and click on login. Here, as an admin, you can add new services, you can delete or update the existing services. Let's try to add a new service. We enter the type of service and the price that it will cost. You select the service type and just click add. Now you can see that it has added into the services. If you want to update any service, you can do it likewise. You can see the updated price here. Now, let's take a look at the stylists that are there in the salon. You can add a new stylist. Also, you can delete or update any stylist that is there in this salon. For example, we will set the status of this stylist, and now you can see that the stylist on number 6 is busy.